Okay, good morning, brothers and sisters. This is our project for Python. This is our group, and this is our Wordle game that we chose to do. So quickly, I'm just going to run you through how we imported the random word document. So as you can see here, we import the document called list.txt, and then we choose a random word from it, and that becomes our word. And later, when we show you how we play the game, it'll walk through how you input your word and it runs them together.
All right. So first we converted um, those words into a list, and then we have random words equals random choice. So it chooses a random word from our list. Um, in our function up here, we call it check word 3. It gives us this input, what is your guess? And then it goes through if statements, making sure it's a 5-letter word, and then here is where it gives us different symbols if we get it right. It's gonna repeat 5 times for 5 different letters. Here we append letters to our list, so if it's correct, it will print the letter from that list. If it's incorrect, if it's correct but in the wrong place, we'll do a dash. Incorrect is a exclamation mark. So run through that, and then it'll print the combination of that loop. And then we call for that function at the bottom. We use different variable strings. For example, we have word equals input. And then next we have comments.
Yep. So as you can see, we have the hashtag and the comments here that kind of help describe the coding and everything. And we also use functions. We have this function here on check word. And it's called later on down in the code. Check words here. And we also have inputs in our code where, let me see, here at line 28, we have the input where you enter your name into the code, and also here on line 32. So there's all of those, and so now we'll just run the code and play the game. So we'll put our name in, and we have our guess. So it gives us our exclamation marks and dashes, and we can keep guessing our 5-letter words. As we do this, eventually we run out of guesses and it spits out, "You ran out of guesses, you lose."
And if it were correct, it would show the entire word, which we're not getting at this game to actually get it right. But and then it would say you won.
Yep. And that's our Wordle game.
Amen.
Thank you.